we have a topic of ITIL, which is the last pending, right? That today we will start. So, firstly, okay, I'm going to deliver you ITIL class. Then we'll take your mock interview on a networking. Okay. On a networking module only, I will take your mock interview. We will ask the questions from the person, okay, who has attended yesterday. Okay, so let's see. So I see what's happening. We have a topic of ITIL. Okay, so what is the meaning of ITIL? Basically, as you know very well, any IT company, IBM, Wipro, any IT company works as a project wise. Correct. Any IT industry works as a project wise. Correct. So if any company works on a project wise and like this, so guys, if as a customer, just assume you are a customer. So if you are purchasing a jeans, shirt, t-shirt from Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, okay, like this kind of famous website. Okay, so just assume you have ordered a jeans. Okay, jeans cost you 2,000 rupees. Correct. You have ordered a jeans, and now once you received your product, so the quality is not good. So as a customer, what is your reaction? You will make it return.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
You will
sir.
make the return. Okay, you will ask for a refund. Even you will
Yes,
give a
sir.
wrong feedback about a product. But no, this is not good. I ordered this. Okay, you will click a photo and then you will give a review. Okay, and by seeing your review, another person will not buy the same product, right? Because we are buying a product, anything by seeing your reviews as well as, right? What is the rating? What is the review? Okay, if anyone has uploaded the photos of a particular product, okay, who has received. So we are seeing these all things basically before buying any product. Okay, while planning, we are seeing this all thing. Okay, and then if everything is fine, then okay, you are purchasing. Okay, you are giving a payment through online, cash on delivery, pay on delivery, anything. So guys, the same thing is happening with the IT company. Okay, now just think in your mind, how any IT company is saying I have a vacancy. How Wipro, ACL, IBM is saying that I have a vacancy. They are saying because they have a project and they need a manpower. They need a manpower of a different specialty. Correct. Some of the specialized on a security, some is in a network, some is in a system, some is in a cloud, these like things. Correct. So basically here what's going on. Okay. Any company, any IT company works for their clients and customers as well as how. Like for example, okay, I'm giving you a basic example. Just assume there is a bank, HDFC Bank. Correct. So there is a HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank having their users, their data, their server, their transaction. They need a security. Okay, they need someone who will manage their portal, who will manage their application, who will manage their website. Means for running a bank, they need IT support from every kind of things. Correct. From every kind of things. Okay, but HDFC Bank will not hire us an engineer. Correct. We'll hire a cashier, a bank manager, you can say some other okay things. Correct. So in this condition, what's happening? Any companies who are not in IT, but they need IT support, they are giving their project, they are giving their work to the another IT company, to the any other IT company. Like HDFC Bank has given a product to Wipro. From starting, HDFC Bank are going to manage by a Wipro company. As for their IT support, I'm talking with you. So for a Wipro company, HDFC is a client. For a Wipro company, what is HDFC? Is a client. Okay, from starting, there's a KFC. All of you know, online restaurant. Correct. From where okay, you are ordering chicken nuggets and all. Right. So KFC is a restaurant, online restaurant, right? As well as offline, both. Correct. So the KFC is working in a pan India, even outside of the India. They have a multiple branches in a lot of cities. Okay, lot of metro cities, small cities, big city, every place. Right. There's a MACD. The McDonald's, right? MACD. They have also branches in pan India. So this kind of restaurant and okay needs also IT support, na? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so
Yes,
they
sir.
can't hire an engineer, na? What they will do? They will give their work to the IT company. That no, I am paying you the amount. How much you are expecting? Okay, send me your proposal, and then company is giving okay, and then okay, Wipro company is saying that we need an engineer, we need a more person because we have a project. Because they have a project, that's why they are saying that they need engineers. They have a work, okay, and to fulfill the work, they need a manpower supply, manpower. Okay, manpower like they need engineers on multiple fields. Someone is in a security, someone is in a network, okay, and then the company will assign the work to the different engineers as per their specialization. Correct. So guys, what's happening? Just assume if as a customer, if you purchase a jeans of 2000, you are too much worried that you are okay, if the product is not good, so you will give a wrong feedback. Correct. You will ask for it. Okay, you will ask for a return and all. Right. So what are you expecting? If any company is paying a huge amount, okay, you have to believe one thing, HDFC Bank has paid 1700 crore to Wipro company for 2 years of IT support. Means HDFC Bank will okay will give 1700 crore to Wipro company for what?
IT support.
Their IT support in all over the world.
Project.
Their servers, their everything will managed by a Wipro company. So that's why okay for this company will hire 5-6 project manager. Then project manager will design all the project, how to go for IT, how to what to do, how to do. And then when everything will be discussed, then they will contact with a recruiter who will send a manpower to the company. In this way, every company working. Correct. Every company, Google, Microsoft, every company. Correct. Guys, just think in a simple thing. Okay, like we have a e-vision company, right? How me and any employee in the e-vision is getting a salary from the training amount, placement amount that you are submitting, that you are paying, right?
Yes, sir.
Because company will not give
Yes, sir.
anything, not to anyone. Simple. Company will not give anything to anyone, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So every company is working like the same process. Okay. Every company working for their client, customer, and all. Correct. So they need a okay. So HDFC Bank means any kind of company who is a non-IT, but they need IT support. They are giving their contract to the Wipro, okay, to any of the IT company. Correct. So guys, if as a customer for 2000 rupees, if you're not getting a good service, you are making a complaint. So if the Wipro, HDFC Bank has given their project to the Wipro company, so what HDFC Bank deserves? Okay, what HDFC Bank and their employees expect from a Wipro? A better service, error-free service, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And guys, for
Yeah.
managing the whole project, their understanding is not a small thing. It's not a small thing. So what's happening now? A time every IT company is following a concept IT hire for delivering the IT services. if any IT company want to deliver a perfect service, if any IT company want to deliver a perfect service, so IT companies should follow ITIL. If any IT company want to deliver a best level of service to their clients and customers, so that one IT company should follow ITIL. If company will not follow ITIL, they can't provide a better to better service. They can't provide a better service. Why? Because under ITIL, we have a lot of rules. Under ITIL, we have a lot of rules, regulations, so that anyone can work with a discipline, with a manner. Correct. Okay, that's why ITL is basically a concept that how an IT company can deliver a best services to their clients and customers. ITL is basically a framework. It's a concept. It's not a device. It's a concept. And that if company will follow ITIL, so under ITIL, okay, we have a lot of rules and regulations. The company employee will follow rules and regulations, and project will deliver to the clients on time with a good service. So ITL is basically a framework for what? Okay, ITL is a framework of best practices for deliver IT services. It's a best practice for delivering the IT service. Correct, guys. So I will give you more and examples and all. So first of all, notes. Okay, read your notebook and write things.
Sir, your voice is getting interrupted, sir.
Yes, sir, your voice is getting interrupted.
Yes, sir. Breaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So okay, in your notebook, first of all, write it down these all things. These all things. What is ITIL? Why it's required? What is their certification and what is their version? Okay, make a notes, and then I will give you understanding. First, make a notes. Okay. Guys, show all of your writing.
Yes, sir.
Writing, sir.
Sir, we. Okay, done, sir.
Okay, so I see. Now try to understand what is the meaning. So first of all, okay, I'm clearing one thing. In the ITIL, you will get a knowledge that if you are employing a company, what you should do. Correct, because only an experienced holder person will know that what is happening inside a company. So if you want to get a knowledge about this, you need to know about some basics about ITIL. So as you're able to read, ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It's their full form. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library is their full form. Okay. And ITIL is a framework. Okay. ITIL is basically a framework of best practices for delivering IT service. Means if any IT company want to deliver a best services, so they should follow ITIL. It's a framework of best practices for delivering IT services. Means in the sense it's simple. If any company want to deliver a best services to their clients and customers, so they should follow ITIL. Okay, they should follow ITIL. Okay, because ITIL is a concept. Okay, it's a framework. Okay, so I see ITIL was published in 1989 by HMS. What's happening? First time, the concept of IT management, IT delivery service management, has given by the company. The company name is HMSO. HMSO is a company in the UK, okay, who are responsible for providing a documentation on a various kind of management skills. HMSO is a company in the UK who are responsible for providing a documentation on a various kind of things, like a various kind of management skills. Correct. So first time, okay, ITIL was published by the HMSO company as well as. Correct. When? In 1989. When? In 1989, ITIL was published by a company named HMSO. Correct. Okay. Let's see. Then what is the requirement of ITIL? You are able to see IT and business planning. What is the meaning? It's simple meaning. If any person, guys, now for example, I'm doing my job. Correct. I'm getting a salary. I'm doing the job. But if I want to start my own startup on IT company, okay, and if I will not, and if I'm not aware about their management, how can I start? Right? If I don't know how to manage, how can I start? What I will do after starting, right? I should know how to manage.
Yes, sir.
Correct. That's why, okay, IT is required for business planning for any IT industry. Okay, if you're planning for a business in IT, so you should aware about ITIL. You should, okay, have awareness on ITIL. Correct. So IT is required for IT and business planning, and then improving project delivery success. Guys, as I told you, any IT company is working as a project wise. Any IT company works as a project wise. Project wise in the sense, okay, this is a project of HDFC, this is a Axis Bank project, this is some other project. Anyone, okay, any IT company works as a project wise. So guys, so if any company works as a project wise, correct. So ITIL will also help here to make it more successful, to increase the success rate of a project, to improve the success of a project. To improve the success rate of a project, ITIL is also important for this thing. Correct. How? Simple thing. If any company will follow ITIL, so okay, I will tell you later about it. Under ITIL, we have a lot of rules and regulations. Correct. So their member will follow the rules, and if they will follow the rules, so the particular product, particular things will be delivered on time. Right? On
Yes.
time and without any error. So here also, ITIL will help you to improve the success rate of any project. The success rate of any project, ITIL will also help you for this thing. Correct. Okay. And guys, then we have a certification of ITIL. We have a certification of ITIL. Which kind of certification? So see, for example, if you want to become only network engineer, routing and switching. So there is a company who are providing a certification. Okay, their knowledge. Correct. So for example, CCNA, CCNP, CCI. What is this? This is a certification, no? That
Yes,
okay,
sir.
if you want to go to networking, so first you need to start your career with a CCNA, then CCNP, then at last CCI. Then at last CCI, right? So that's why, okay, the same thing. If anyone want to make their career on a IT management, so they should have a knowledge about ITIL. Okay, basically the certification of ITIL is required for those people who are basically who is having a lot of experience. Basically, the certification of ITIL is required for those people who is having a lot of experience. Lot of experience means means having a 4 or 5 years of experience and want to make their career on a project manager, this, that, then. Correct. Okay. So for example, when you will get a 4 or 5 years of experience in IT, so you will think that I will become a manager. Okay, so if you want to go on a manager post, you should know the ITIL because you should know how to manage. So the certification is required for those people basically, who are in the IT management field. Okay. So so guys, ITIL certification having a levels: foundation level, intermediate level, expert level, and master level. These are the levels of certification of ITIL. Correct. And then on the other side we have a versions. Means ITIL guys having a 4 different version till now. Version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. ITIL version 4 is the most latest ITIL version. Okay. So as here you are able to see, ITIL version 4 launched in ITIL version 1. Okay, just wait. Okay. Right, so ITIL version 1 launched in 1995, right? And expired in 2000, means only word for a 5 year. Okay, after 5 year, then version 2 launched. Okay, word for 4 year. But guys, ITIL version 3, ITIL V3 is the most successful ITIL version till now. Till now, ITIL V3 is the most successful ITIL version. How? Because ITIL version 3 launched in 2004 and expired in previous year 2021. Means runs in a market more than 17. Okay, means approx 17 years, right? Means and guys, the IT company in the India and in the world has grown on between this time period, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
we are saying that ITIL version 3, ITIL V3 is the most successful ITIL version. ITIL V3 is the most successful ITIL version till now. Okay, ITIL version 4 is a new, okay, launched in the previous year. So that's why, okay, what's happening now? Time people are going for ITIL version 4 certification. But okay, what I'm going to teach you, okay, what I will, okay, I will deliver you after some time. Okay, I will deliver you according to ITIL version 3. Correct. Okay, now you know how the certification is going on. Certification of ITIL is going on like ITIL version 4 foundation, ITIL version 4 intermediate, ITIL version 4 expert, ITIL version 4 master, ITIL version 3 foundation, version 3 intermediate. Okay, like this. Okay. So what's happening if you have a 1 and 2 years of minimum IT experience in a real time, then you can plan for a foundation level. If you have more than 3 years of experience in IT field, then you can plan for a intermediate level. And if you have more than 5 and 6 years of IT experience, you can plan for expert level. Okay. And if you have more than 7 and 10 years of IT experience, then you can go for a master level. Okay. Basically, for you, no any certification is required. For you, the basic knowledge of ITR is required. It will help you to understand about the processes which is going on a company. Correct. Which is going on a company. Okay. So, okay. Then next one. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. Write down benefits. What are the benefits of using ITIL? See now. Okay. These 4 points. Okay. Make a notes about these 4 points. Okay. Write it down. Okay. In your notebook about these 4 points. Okay. The benefits of ITIL. Okay. Make it as a point by point. Point number 1 is structure. Create structure of organization. First make a notes. Then I will give you understanding.
Completed, sir.
Okay, so let's see. Now, what are the benefits of using ITIL? So, as you are able to see, number one, clear structure of organization. What is the meaning? It's simple meaning. If you have a knowledge about ITIL, if you have a knowledge about ITIL, so you can easily understand how the process is going on. Correct. How the process is going on. Okay, and what is going on inside a company, you can easily understand. Means you get a clear structure about what is going on inside a company, what is going on inside a particular project. Correct. Number two is the improved service availability. What is the meaning? It's simple meaning. Guys, as in a customer, what is your expectation? Your expectation is service will be available fastly. Correct. But that's okay. That's why Amazon having Amazon Prime, right? Okay, in which you will get your order within 24 hours. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because Amazon company has improved their service availability by a service Amazon Prime membership. Like same thing, as in a customer, always we are expecting that service should be on time and service should be delivered on. Okay, means with a good you can say quality, quantity, everything. Correct. So here ITIL will also help in a company to improve the service availability. Means service will be available for more and more person. Correct. And you know very well, if the service availability will improve, so definitely as a customer, I will satisfy. So the customer is going to satisfy. Okay, ITIL is also increasing the customer satisfaction. Right. ITIL is also increasing the customer satisfaction. So this is also benefit of ITIL, that increase customer satisfaction. Increase customer satisfaction, okay, is also a benefit of ITIL. Right. And then at last, control infrastructure services. What is the meaning? A simple meaning. If means, for example, just assume there is something error happens suddenly in a company. Something error happens suddenly in a company. Okay, okay, in a process, something happened. Okay, something wrong thing. So if the person having a knowledge of ITIL, so they can easily control their services. How? Because under ITIL, we have rules and regulations that if this is happening, do like this. If it is happening, go like this. It means for managing an IT company and their delivery process and their process, the ITIL is a must. Right? Right. So is it clear? What is the benefits of ITIL?
Yes, sir. Could you explain the last point once again? Control infrastructure services.
It's simple meaning. If any error is happening, for example, you can say like okay, you're providing a service to the clients and customers. Correct. But somehow you are not able to solve. So in this condition, there is another person will try, right?
Yes, sir.
It means okay, and another person is trying because of under ITIL we have a we have a concept OLA. I will tell you OLA, organizational level agreement. Means we have a lot of rules and regulations so that the services will be controlled. If any error is happening, so we don't need to worry, because ITIL is giving us a controlling power knowledge of that how to control the services. It means in short, for managing an IT company, ITIL is compulsory. Right. Otherwise, see, if company will not follow a single framework, so what will happen? Everyone will do the work according to their own wish, na?
Yes, sir.
But there is a central way that no, okay, you need to do like this. Okay, you do like this.
Yes, sir. Some rules have been defined that we have to follow.
Yes, definitely. Correct. So this is the benefits of ITIL. So still now what we discussed, till now we've only discussed what is ITIL, what is their use, their requirement and their benefits. Now under ITIL we have a lot of terms, topics. Under ITIL we have a lot of terms and topics. So now, okay, read your notebook and write it down. This all thing. We have a total 19 terms in ITIL. Okay, in actual, as per the certification level, more than 102 means more than 150 terms. But as per the basic level for you, because you are not going for any certification of ITIL, just need a basic knowledge. So for you, the okay, 19 terms. Okay, 1 to 20. Okay, and topic number 7, I just correct. So that's what total. Okay, 19. So in your notebook, write it down all this topic name the same way. Okay, right? Okay, give the index terminology in ITIL concept and all these terms. Okay, and then we will discuss one by one. What is incident? What is the meaning? What are their examples? How it's going on a company? One by one we will discuss. Correct. So in your notebook, write it down these all things.
Sir, number 7 is
Number 7 is nothing. Give, okay, give the number 7 as a number 8.
okay. Sir.
Okay. That's all of you written.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So just give me a minute, okay? 3-4 minutes. I will back and then we'll start our class with the topic incident and problem. Okay. So I see now what's happening. Okay, we have some terms in ITL. Okay, some terminology, some topic we can say, some topic inside ITL. So the topic is the incident, problem, incident management, problem. Okay, these all. So let's try to understand firstly about what is incident and what is problem. So I see if any issues happening. Okay, I'm talking about our own general life. Okay. So if any issues happening, we are calling, oh, it's a problem. Oh, it's an incident. Correct. If any issues happening, so we are calling these words right now. Like same, what's happening under ITIL. Okay. And in a company, if any issues happening, if any error happening, so otherwise it will be an incident, otherwise it will be a problem. Issues having a two types. It may be an incident or it may be a problem. Correct. So incident and problem are same thing for us in a normal life, okay, in a general life. But according to company and according to ITIL, incident and problem having a differences. What are the differences? So if any issues happening first time, suddenly and first time, so it's an incident. But the same issues, okay, which was the incident, okay, same issues happening again and again, so that will become a problem. For example, now I am providing a session to you, correct, class to you, and everything is fine from my side, right? That's okay, you are able to listen, you are able to see my screen, everything is good. But guys, suddenly if my laptop will okay, turn off, okay, means I was not aware now that this, okay, this may be possible, this may be happens, right? So incident means if any issue is happening first time and suddenly. Okay. So if my laptop will turn off right now, so it will be first time, because before this my laptop is working very fine. Suddenly what happened? So okay, it's an incident. But guys, but if my laptop will turn off tomorrow, after 1 day, after 2 days, means the issue is happening in a regular basics, in a daily basics, means again and again. So if the issue is happening again and again, so that's a problem. Okay, and if any issue is happening first time with any first person, so that's the incident. Clear? Okay, so okay, that's what means if an issue is happening first time, so it's an incident. But okay, what is the issue? Okay, that we are calling incident. But if the same issue is happening again and again, so incident will become a problem. So incident will become a problem.
Problem.
Correct. So okay, in your notebook, write it down the notes. Incident and problem. Okay, definitions and examples. Okay. So okay, as you're able to read, incident is an unplanned issue that suddenly happens and interrupt IT delivery services. Means if any issue is happening first time, unplanned, suddenly, okay, and due to that, our IT delivery services is going to stop, okay, going to interrupt. So that's the incident. Okay. Guys, okay, so okay, in a problem you are able to read the issue that happens again and again. And even meantime, we know what the issue will happen in the future. How? Simple thing, guys. Okay, simple thing, just assume if my laptop goes turn off today, so I can think that to know, okay, that okay, tomorrow it may also happens, right? After 1 day, okay, it may also happen. We can think in our mind. Correct. So that's okay. Problem means that's okay, which is happening again and again. Okay.
Sir, after getting fixed or
What?
sir, after the incident will be means fixed. After that, it is repeating again. You mean to
Yes.
say.
Okay. It will just means okay. Simple thing. I'm your okay user. Okay. My system is turning off. Okay. Okay. My system got turned off suddenly. So you have given a solution. You have troubleshoot it. Now it's working. But if tomorrow also it happened, means it's a problem. First time happened incident. Tomorrow after 1 day okay means it's happening daily basics. So that's a problem.
Done, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Sir is muted.
Bye, sir.
Okay, so now I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I see. Okay, so simple thing. If an issue is happening first time and suddenly it's an incident, but if the same issue is happening and okay again and again, so that one incident will become a problem. Correct. Now I see. If any issue is happening, it's an incident or it's a problem. Okay, doesn't matter for now. The things is how to manage it, how to solve it. Correct. So guys, see, you will solve any issues by your technical knowledge. Correct. But you to remember some parameter that if it's an incident, so you need to follow incident management concept. Or if the issue is a problem, you need to follow problem management concept. How? Because according to incident management, okay, if any issue is happening, you have to solve it as soon as possible. Incident needs as soon as possible solution according to incident management. And in the problem management, it's not compulsory that you need to solve as soon as possible. If you are free, then you can go for solving as soon as possible. But with the problem management, it's not compulsory. But in incident management, it's a compulsory that if an issue is an incident, so as an engineer, you need to resolve as soon as possible. But if the issue category is the problem category, so it's not compulsory. If you are free, so okay, you need to solve quickly. But if you are not free, so for any kind of problem, you can take a time, because problem management is saying to us, just solve the issue. Nothing as soon as possible, 100% condition. Correct. Okay, so in your notebook, okay, write it down. Then okay, you will understand more. Incident management and problem management definitions. Okay, guys, simple thing. Okay, you need to solve any issues by your technical knowledge, but you need to remember the some concept behind it. Okay, so make a notes and let me know. Okay, then I will give you more understanding on this one with some more examples. First, make a notes of okay, this is incident management and this is a problem management.
What happens, sir?
What? Yeah, Chinta, what are you saying?
Muted, sir. I was, sir. That's why I am asking.
No, please make a notes na, then I will give understanding.
Yeah, okay, okay. Sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Yes. So guys, okay. So incident, okay, problem, okay, both are the same concept. Okay. According to incident manager, what's happening? You have to solve the issue as soon as possible. Okay. If you are busy in some different work, leave that work and solve the issue, because incident means something which is first time happened and suddenly happened. Correct. So if an issue is an incident level, you need to resolve it as soon as possible. And if an issue is on a problem level, so you can take a time, means it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory basically. Right. So okay, that's only your differences. Okay, that's okay. You are able to read here. The purpose of incident management is to minimize the negative impact by incident. Means by incident, what is the negative impact happening? The main purpose of incident management is to minimize it. How? By restoring knowledge service operation as quickly as possible. Means by solving the issue as soon as possible. Okay. And the purpose of the problem management is to minimize the negative impact just by restoring the service operation. Okay, not as quickly as possible, not compulsory with the problem management. That's only a differences. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay, so rest all thing topic number 5 to topic number 20 we will discuss on tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
and not
Okay,
today.
sir.
Tomorrow, I will take a mock interview. Okay, I will ask the questions from a networking module. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So for today, okay, thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Cool.